Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn a new topic, inversion in English grammar, its definition, types, examples. Also, we will discuss the comparison of normal versus inversion sentences. So, let's start. What is inversion? In simple words, inversion means changing the normal word order of a sentence. Normal order of a sentence is subject plus verb. For example, I have finished my work. Inverted order would be auxiliary verb plus subject. For example, have I finished my work? Means verb comes before the subject. Before moving towards its types, one very important thing to remember is inversion happens only when there is an auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary, we use do, does, did. Now, let's discuss the types of inversion, one by one. First one is inversion in questions. Its rule is auxiliary verb plus subject. Now, let's compare the normal sentence versus inversion sentence. You are ready. Are you ready? He is coming. Is he coming? They have finished work. Have they finished work? As you can see, auxiliary verb comes before the subject, and this is the most simple type of inversion. Let's move towards the next type. Inversion after negative words. When a sentence starts with a negative word, inversion is compulsory. Common negative words are never, rarely, seldom, hardly, scarcely, barely, little, no sooner. Its rule is negative word plus auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. Now, let's discuss examples of normal versus inversion sentences. I have never seen this place. Never have I seen this place. She rarely makes mistakes. Rarely does she make mistakes. He little understood the problem. Little did he understand the problem. Remember, if there is no auxiliary, add do, does, did. Next type is inversion with only at the beginning. When only comes at the start of a sentence, inversion is required. Its rule is only plus expression plus auxiliary plus subject. Inversion happens only when only is at the beginning. Let's discuss examples. He understood the rule only after practice. Only after practice did he understand the rule. I realized the truth only then. Only then did I realize the truth. He relaxed only after the exam. Only after the exam did he relax. Next type is inversion with no sooner than. It is used to show two quick actions. Its rule is no sooner plus had plus subject plus past participle. Let's discuss examples. He had entered the room when the bell rang. No sooner had he entered the room than the bell rang. I reached home and it started raining. No sooner had I reached home than it started raining. Next is inversion with hardly, scarcely, when. It shows that one action happened and immediately another action followed. Almost the same meaning as no sooner than. Its rule is hardly or scarcely plus had plus subject plus past participle. Examples are: she had finished speaking when everyone clapped. Scarcely had she finished speaking when everyone clapped. The match had started when the lights went off. Hardly had the match started when the lights went off. Next is normal order versus place expression inversion. It happens when a place or direction expression, like on the hill, into the room, here, there, is placed at the beginning of the sentence, and the verb comes before the subject. This is mostly used in descriptions, stories, and formal writing. Thing to remember is place first, then verb next, then subject last. Examples are: a beautiful castle stood on the hill. On the hill stood a beautiful castle. A man stood outside the door. Outside the door stood a man. Inversion is the art of flipping the subject and verb, for emphasis and correctness. Questions, negatives, only, expressions, conditionals, and place expressions, all follow this rule. Master inversion, and your English will immediately sound more accurate and advanced. Inversion does not change meaning, it adds emphasis, formality, and correctness. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.